Hello and welcome to today's Pilates plus yoga workout session. Targets your abs and booty at the same time. Let's start by standing in Brahma Mudra now. Inhale and get into Parvatasana while you are standing. Exhale as you get into Namaskara. Inhale and get into Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale and form Padahastasana. Now walk through the mat and get into Falakasana. Keep breathing in and out as you hold the pose. Inhale and get in Parvatasana. Hold your breath as you hold the pose. Exhale as you touch the heel of your feet. Extend your right leg up as you inhale. Exhale and fold to touch the forehead. Repeat 5 times. Inhale as you extend your leg. Exhale and crunch as you touch to the forehead. Now get into Parvatasana and hold. Keep breathing in and out. And walk back. Extend your left leg. Exhale as you get in a child pose. Hold the pose, keep breathing in and out, relax. Now as you bend forward, inhale and stretch to look up. Exhale and crunch, look into your belly button. Repeat 5 times. Slow movements are powerful. Now get your elbows to the floor, rotate your leg inwards, inhale and exhale. Repeat 5 times, make big circles. Now rotate outwards. Straighten your leg, move up and down. Exhale as you go up. Inhale as you get down. Repeat 10 times. Now hold your leg up and keep breathing in and out. Lie on your left, move your right leg up and down. Repeat 10 times. Exhale as it goes up, inhale while it comes down. Now make big circle inwards 10 times. Now outward 10 times. Lift and hold for 30 seconds. Keep breathing in and out. Repeat on the other side. Lie on your right, move your left leg. Lie on your back, lift up your hip. As you inhale, get into half bridge pose. Now straighten your leg and fold back. Repeat with alternative legs 10 times. Now straighten your leg and hold 10 counts. Move your hip, exhale as you go up, inhale as you come down. Repeat 10 times. Now hold the leg up, hip to the floor, straighten your leg and move back and forth. Exhale while you crunch. Get up and relax your spine. Get in child pose, keep breathing in and out. Stay here for 20 seconds.